It's finally here, ladies and gentlemen. After one entire year of waiting, the PlayStation 5 has finally arrived. It's honestly mental that it's taken this long for the PlayStation to arrive. A little backstory: in February last year, I pre-ordered it from Sony for my birthday, thanks to my grandmother. So when you pre-order from Sony, you actually put on a waiting list. So when I was in the waiting list, my wait time was around 12 to 24 months. Fast forward 12 months later, which is right here, right now, I actually received an update from Sony that it would take another 12 to 24 months. So you must be wondering, how did I get this PlayStation then? My uncle, who already got a PlayStation 5 from somewhere else, actually had a waiting list number and very kindly gave it to me, and thankfully his turn arrived. So instead of him buying the PlayStation 5, since he already had one, he passed the queue number to me, so we managed to purchase the PlayStation 5. So yes, my birthday present from last year only came this year, but I'm not complaining. I've still got the PlayStation 5. So enjoy the rest of the unboxing. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We're very close to 300 subscribers.